For me, a book for children is one of the best ways to explain something that is difficult, complicated, and it's a way that involves the whole family.
We're aiming for the sort of 7 to 8 range of age, which is when kids are beginning to read, but they still need the help of the parents to read.
That is a kind of a target audience which generally science outreach finds it difficult to reach in India.
This is a pop-up book, so it's got movable elements, it's got flaps, it also has a whole sort of jump out, pop out section when the idea of gravitational waves is first introduced.
We could have done this book in any language, but we decided to make it Marathi, which is the language spoken in the region where the detector is going to be built.
And I was very happy that we are getting something special for the children of the region.
Our colleagues in India were absolutely instrumental in us getting the cultural context right, checking on everything.
It came about talking about what are the real life situations that real life experiences the kids get in India, and tune the storyline according to that.
We want to show the local community what it is that we're building in their area, and we want to make them feel part of this massive project.
Part of the storyline is the excitement of those two characters we meet, Goku and Leela, about what's happening in their region and that wish to become scientists themselves.
One of the main things also is to inspire girls, to let them know that they too can do whatever they want.
For us as scientists, as learning facilitators, we should be able to reach intergenerational groups, and I think a pop-up book with the kids sitting with the family and trying to talk about it is the perfect way to actually get that going.